How to send videos on Gmail. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. Open up your Gmail. Tap on Compose on your bottom right. Now under Compose Email, write your email and you will see this icon on your top right. Tap that icon and tap on Attach File. This will take you to your gallery or your storage. Now tap onto the video icon and attach a video. All you have to do is enter the name of the person you want to send the video to and just tap the send icon. Another method is going to your Chrome application. Search for app.mediafire.com. Upload a video you want to send. Tap onto media. Now once this video gets uploaded here, all you have to do is tap on this copy link icon. Go back here and again tap on compose and just paste the link here. This is another way you can do it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.